Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to download the Windows Server 2012 on your VMware machine. So first you have to download the ISO image of the Windows Server 2012 from the website. I'll drop down the link of this Microsoft website in my description box, so you can just download the Windows Server. So basically what you have to do is, okay, I'll refresh it and you can see there are different versions of the ISO images. So I have selected the Windows Server 2012 and click on the Get Started for Free and click on the ISO image. Click on Continue and just fill all your details and click on Continue and select your language, which is English, and click on Download. Since I have already downloaded, so I will not download it. Well, you can download it, click on the OK button, and the download has started. I'm canceling it since I have already downloaded it. So cancel it and let's go to the virtual machine. So what you have to do is basically create a new virtual machine. I'll go to the home option and create a new virtual machine. And click on the click on this radio button, which is I will install the operating system later, and click on next and select the Microsoft Windows, and the version is, you can select whichever version you're installing. Since I'm installing the Windows Server 2012, so I've selected this one and click on next. And you can just leave this name by default since I'm installing another machine of Windows Server 2012. That's why it's named to 2. So click on next, next, and next. After installing, you will see this machine appeared here. Click on the Edit Virtual Machine Settings and go to the CD DVD option and click on the Use ISO image and browse the file wherever you have downloaded your ISO image. I'll browse it. It is installed here, so I'll select it, open, and you can see that I have this path has appeared here, and click on the OK, and you just have to play your virtual machine. After playing the virtual machine, you just have to wait for a few minutes, and then see the files are loading, and you will see the Windows icon here, as you can see. But if any problem occurs, you can just comment down below and I will try to answer you guys. Leave it by default, English, English, and US, and click on next. Click on Install Now button. Select on the second option, which is with the GUI, and click on Next. Checkbox the license terms and click on Next. Custom install, click on Next, and see it is installing. You just have to wait. I'll just pause the video for some time. When it will be finished, I will resume it. Okay, I have resumed the video, and as you can see, my installation has been completed, and it's 100%, and now it's processing. We'll have to wait for a few seconds. Well, now you can just select your password, which is you can just name it admin, because this is the default password which you can just easily remember. ADMIN, finish. Okay, you just have to edit a strong password. So I'll edit JOHN, John Doe 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I think it's a first capital letter, and you have to put some numbers. Okay, J capital OHNDOE 1 2 3 4. Enter. See. So I think their policies is basically one capital letter and some small letters and some numeric. Like just press Control Alt Delete and then put on the password. And the password is J capital JOHNDOE 1 2 3 4 5. Press enter. Okay, my password is incorrect. Why? JOHNDOE 1 2 3 4 5. What was my password? JOHNDOE 1 2 3 4. Yes, it was 1 2 3 4. Sorry guys. Now you just have to click on yes. And now you can see the server is ready. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you like the video, comment down below and like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll upload more videos on this virtual machine things and the server manager, etc. If you want me to upload anything, just comment down below. I'll try to upload all the things for you. Thank you, guys.